What's going on, everyone? So I'm a super light sleeper. I mean, any little sound wakes me up. So if you're like me and you sleep with the headphones and you hate it when the earbuds hurt your ear or you get choked by the wire, man, did I find a game changer. I said to myself, there has to be something out there for people like me, and that's when I found the Voerou Sleep headphones. Super easy to use and connect to your iPhones or your iPads. Once it's connected to the Bluetooth device, all you have to do is press and hold the play button until you hear Bluetooth connected. Press the plus button to skip forward and hold to raise the volume, and the minus button does the exact opposite. Okay, everyone, this is the intermission to remind you, if you haven't already, please hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for any future videos that I drop. Now, let us continue. Now, it does take some practice learning how to take out the internal wiring for the headsets to wash the headband, but to be honest, I'm glad it's so snug as it makes sleeping that much better. Another thing I love is the soft, breathable fabric, and more importantly, how it stays cool throughout the night. Also, just another FYI, it has 45 feet of wireless range, a rechargeable battery with a 2-hour charging time, which provides up to 10 hours of playing music. That is a perfect fit for a good night's sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified about any future videos. Once again, guys, thank you so much, and that's sweet.